How to see contacts on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right. And on this page right here, click on the three lines at the top right corner. From there, click on Settings and Privacy. Once you get to this page right here, click on the search bar at the top and search for contacts. From there, click on Upload Contacts. Once you do that, you will be redirected to this page right here, which is the contacts syncing and connecting page. So what you need to do is you need to turn on this connect contacts option. Once you do that, you will allow Instagram to sync contacts and connect them from your mobile device. After that, go back to your profile page right here and click on the discover people icon, and here you will see this list which has some people. Let's click on see all, and once you do that, you will get to this page right here where you will be able to find all of the people's suggestions, and that includes your contacts. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can find contacts on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.